with all around 20 to 24 housemates to have graced the All-Star season, we have our winner, Ilebaye who clinched the ultimate prize by just being herself. And then although people are dragging her for it, but it is what it is. God has graced her and blessed her. Now this video is an aftermath live stream on what happened after the prize giving, which just happened about 2 hours ago, an hour ago. So just watch and enjoy, and I'm going to bring you the full prize giving video in a few minutes.
Nobody picks me. I never came. Nobody picks me.
What is something of big bag that we will take to this house?
I swear this bed here. This bed is something else.
Give our James body now. Diva, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Give me this one. This man now has something of you, Jesus. Thank you.
I was the head of house. She was the head of house.
Yes. The last petrol head. The last petrol head.
I'm the last one though.
No, that one was just messenger. You were just a messenger. You were just a messenger.
I was the last HOA.
You were just a messenger. Now me the last messenger. On Pere. See, I was the last. I was boxing in there. I'm always having a good time. What people to do it?
How can you say that you were the last HOA?
I was. Now you people that just tell them just before sound or you will just dance.
How dare you? I was the last HOA. I was double HOA.
Okay, you were double HOA.
See, I was even three because
last.
your last HOA, I gave it to you.
You gave it to me?
Yes, and the last HOA.
I gave it to myself. I worked so hard for it. I stood there for 2 hours, 45 minutes.
70% was you. 90%.
No, 90%, 99.9%.
80% was you.
99.9%.
No. 80% was you.
20% was you. Right, okay, if you know if you do, why did you stand? I know you have,
because
you have still stood there to show yes, so you can still do everything. But me,
I came out and
you gave up. In this life, never give up, bro.
I didn't give up.
In this life, never give up.
I told Pere that I was going to do only 2 minutes.
Why you gave up?
No, it's not. That was not giving up. That was just me being just honest. So you wanted me to go all the way with you guys?
Before.
If not, I'll win. I know.
Which way? Because now you cannot. You cannot even do it. You cannot do it. Stop whining, bro.
But you're not drinking alcohol.
Amen.
Bring it to my room.
Oh, red wine.
Don't bring it to like him, Kardashian not kill you.
Are you taking the pillow?
No, I'm not taking this. Yes, please, leave me. I'll take everything. Thank you.
Yes, Bbnaija.
Yes, darling.
It's very difficult.